Samantala mga ka-RSP, nakapag-golf na ba kayo? Madalas naihahambing ang golf bilang isang sport na may kamahalan. Pero hatid namin sa inyo ngayon ay isang golf academy na fun at affordable. Panoorin po natin ito sa Tipid Trips.
200 pesos lang may bagong sports ka na? Sa dami ng tipid spots sa Pinas, may nadiscover kaming classy. Pero hindi pricey. Kaya kung gusto mong i-level up ang sports mo without leveling down your wallet, tara and let's swing by sa budget-friendly Golf Academy sa Quezon City. Ano, biyahe na tayo?
We are inside Camp Aguinaldo. This place is actually run by Camp Aguinaldo Golf Course in partnership with Villarman Golf Academy. As you can see, we have our putting greens, our bunkers with chipping area, pitching area. So after doing all those short shots, you can actually progress to this driving range wherein you can practice your targeted shot. Actually, even if you don't know anything about the game, we have coaches available to teach them. We have clubs for rent, whether you want to use a full set so that you can use all the type of shots that you want to practice, or you can just rent one club to just use it on the driving range.
200 pesos lang, makakapag-rent ka na ng golf club na magagamit sa driving range. At 500 pesos naman sa full set para mas matutunan ang iba't ibang klase ng shots na gusto mong i-practice. Kaya huwag ka nang kabahan kung baguhan ka. Dahil bukod sa abot kaya, kumpleto pa sa equipment. Tulad nito. Ano nga ba yan, Coach?
This is what we call a swing arc, no? It's a perfect circular motion for golfers to basically just train themselves on how to swing the club. It gives you a sense of feel on where to bring that club up and down. So it simulates a perfect golf swing.
Siguradong matututo ka sa dami na activities na pwedeng gawin. Dahil bukod sa chipping at pitching, may facilities din for your well-being tulad ng gym. At virtual golf kung saan pwede kang maglaro sa iba't ibang golf courses gamit ang high-tech simulator kahit nasa loob ka lang ng facility. Sakaling dalawin ka naman ng gutom, may cafe rin sila na naghahain ng sulit at masasarap na food trip.
Ang main goal namin talaga is to grow the game. If we can have more people come and learn the game, no? So I've been playing golf since I was 7 years old. I went through, I competed as a junior player. I played college golf in the States, and I turned professional when I was 20 years old. I played the tour for 20 years. So I've been around golf for very, very long time. So ang naisip ko po kasi talaga is to create something that people, one, to learn the game, two, to enjoy it, and three, to harness their short game. The facility is available to everyone. We welcome everyone, no? Lahat po, wala kaming restriction dito. Other than this place po kasi, once you finish practicing in this area and then you want to play 18 holes of golf, you can just transfer to Camp Aguinaldo Golf Course, wherein you can play a full 18 holes.
Open every day mula 6 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. Kaya kahit early bird ka o late night lakwatsero, pasok sa schedule mo. Kaya kung trip mo ng bagong sport, ito na ang sign. Kumpleto, makabago, at siguradong sulit ang tayo. Biyahe tayo ulit sa susunod na Tipid Trips.